The Supreme Court says the committee that the top court plans to form will not punish farmers or pass orders. The committee will simply submit a report to the apex court, and the top court also says that there is a need for a committee to resolve the problem. So that's the latest inputs we are getting. The hearing is currently underway. The Supreme Court has resumed its hearing on the plea against the farmers' protest. My colleague Alok Singh joining us live from the Singhu Delhi-Haryana border. Alok, you've been tracking the ground inputs for us right from the beginning, and one of the major concerns is the kind of inconvenience that people are being caused because of this entire border siege that has happened. And this is again now very much under the scanner of the top court, whether this kind of a blockade of the border is something that has to be looked into. Tell us, what is the ground situation in terms of how the farmers are viewing the top court's decision to form a committee? It has given a strong indicator today also that a committee is the best way forward. It can look at all the aspects. Are the farmers agreeable to this option?
Well, Afrida, I am here at Singhu border. First, I would like to show you the way that the protest is going on. You can see this completely road is blocked. The farmers are sitting on the road, and you can see the tractor trolley, large number of tractor trolleys. All things are, in fact, they have made the camps, tents, all are there. First, I would like to show to our viewers that what kind of protest is going on. Now, the Supreme Court is saying that these farmers can shift their location, and the Supreme Court is also talking about the formation of the committee. In fact, these are the farmer leaders who are with us. I will go directly to them. Sir, अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हियरिंग शुरू हो गई है, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की हियरिंग में ये चीज़ें सामने आ रही है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक बात बोली है कि कमेटी आप लोग को खा नहीं जाएगी अगर कमेटी बनाई जाती है, और कमेटी से बनने से आप लोग कमेटी के सामने आए और आप लोग की जो प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट कह रहा है कि हम तो चाहते हैं कि इस पूरे मामले का निष्कर्ष निकले, समाधान होना चाहिए. तो इस तरह के सिचुएशन में क्या मानेंगे हम कि क्या अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट कमेटी बना देती है, क्योंकि ऑर्डर अभी नहीं आया है लेकिन ऑर्डर आएगा, कमेटी बना देती है तो आप लोग उसके सामने जाएंगे?
देखिए, मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि आज जब ऑर्डर होंगे, ऑर्डरों के बाद हमारी संयुक्त किसान मोर्चे की मीटिंग होगी, और उस मीटिंग में हम विचार चर्चा करेंगे कि जो ये फैसले, जो ऑर्डर सुप्रीम कोर्ट से होते हैं, उनका हमारा क्या प्रतिक्रम है, क्या पहले मैं इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
लेकिन सर, एक और चीज़ है कि कल भी हमने देखा था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट बात कर रहा था कि स्टे लगाने की बात कर रहा था कि अगर कमेटी बनती है तो पहले स्टे लगाया जाएगा और फिर कमेटी बना दी जाएगी, और उसमें ये भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहेगा कि आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कीजिए, प्रोटेस्ट का अधिकार है, लेकिन आप लोग यहाँ से जगह चेंज कर दीजिए. तो क्या जगह चेंज करने का कुछ हो सकता है?
देखिए,
क्योंकि रोड ब्लॉक है यहाँ.
देखिए, रोड ब्लॉक है. क्यों रोड हमने ब्लॉक नहीं किया, रोड सरकार ने ब्लॉक करवाया. सरकार ने हमारे को आगे नहीं जाने दिया, इसलिए रोड पे बैठे हैं. और हमने रोड पे देख रहे हो, आइए ट्रैफिक सब चल रही है, हमने तो रोड कौन सा ब्लॉक किया. हम पीसफुल चला रहे हैं और पीसफुल रहेंगे, और जो भी फैसला होगा वो सभी के साथ ऑर्डर
सर सहमति के साथ. ओके, सो यू हर्ड दैट इट विल बी द रिस्पांस आफ्टर द मीटिंग दे विल गिव, बट राइट नाउ ऑल आर आईज ऑन द कोर्ट ऑर्डर. ऑल्दो द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज गिवन सम ऑब्जर्वेशन, दे आर लुकिंग इनटू इट, बट वंस द ऑर्डर विल कम, देन दे विल कम आउट विद अ क्लियर स्टैंड व्हाट देयर स्टैंड इज ऑन द ऑर्डर्स. बैक टू यू.
Okay, the Supreme Court, like you said, is extremely clear. There is a need for a committee with members from different groups representing this committee, experts who will look into the issue threadbare. My colleague Tanima is joining us now to explain to us the kind of pronouncements made in the top court. So Tanima, I was just going through the updates, and the CJI, the Chief Justice of India, seems to suggest that there are 400 farmer groups, there are as many opinions, there is a consolidated opinion that is required, and therefore the committee, a forming of a committee is the only way forward. Tell us the latest developments in this regard, what the top court has observed today.
That's right, Afrida. In fact, some very crucial pointers which are coming out from the Supreme Court, and the most important point, of course, being the fact that the Supreme Court is actually talking about this particular panel, which had been in its suggestions yesterday itself, and the Supreme Court, clearly the Chief Justice of India, who is in fact leading this bench which is looking into the farm laws matter, in fact is saying that the panel is an important step in terms of resolving this issue. The Chief Justice in fact says that we are making the committee to ascertain what is the problem. These are the words of the Chief Justice in the top court, where he said that this is not politics, this is judiciary, and that we have the power to suspend legislation and appoint a committee. So again, pushing forth the point of the fact that a committee could be the first step in resolving this issue. The Chief Justice goes on to say there's no power on earth which can prevent us from forming the independent committee, and that we want to solve the problem and understand the ground situation, and this is not politics. Once again, reiterating the fact that this is politics, and that in a way this is actually the Supreme Court is talking to the farmers over here, because remember, Frida, that the farmers had already made it clear in their statement issued yesterday, where they said that though they welcome the Supreme Court suggestions, but this particular aspect of forming a committee is not something that they are okay with, that they do not feel that they would want to put their point across to yet another committee. But the Supreme Court, in a way, is trying to explain to the farmers that it is important in order to resolve the crisis. The Chief Justice also goes on to, in a way, clarify certain things, that the committee will not have the powers to punish or to pass any orders. It will only be a court-monitored committee which is going to submit a report to the top court. So that is also another point that the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice rather, has in fact made it clear through his observation, and also again pointing out that every person who's genuinely interested in solving the problem is expected to go before the committee. So clearly what we can in fact see is that the Supreme Court essentially once again highlighting that it is an important point for the farmers and all the parties, in fact, all the stakeholders involved in this
The
issue.
committee's job would be simply to gather the important information and submit a consolidated, comprehensive report to the top court. So the top court is not in any way abdicating its responsibility of adjudicating on this entire issue of whether the farmers should be removed from the borders. What it is saying, though, is that let's have a committee of members, of experts, of economists, maybe agri-economists, maybe farmer representatives, also those middlemen who are directly impacted if the APMC the issue is removed, or rather if they are feeling threatened. So there probably will be representatives, Tanima, from different think tanks to actually form a consolidated opinion which will be presented to court. I want to understand from you, you mentioned that this is a crisis that needs to be resolved, and just to put things in perspective, the crisis is also because there have been farmer deaths. The farmers are sitting there for 1.5 months now, braving the winters, and also the COVID scare being there. Further, the government has submitted an affidavit today talking about the kind of inconvenience that is caused because of the border siege. All these factors, therefore, require urgent attention. Meenakshi is with us on the phone line. Meenakshi, the developments today include, first, of course, the other development of Centre filing an affidavit, giving out its perspective on how there has been enough and more deliberation and how the blockade in the borders must be tackled. And also now what Tanima was mentioning, how the Supreme Court is insisting on the forming of this committee. Over to you for the details from the proceedings in court.
Well, very quickly, some perspective for our viewers. The matter is ongoing. It is something that is playing out, and we are bringing to our viewers the highlights as is happening inside the Supreme Court virtual court proceedings, which are presently underway. And we will remind our viewers about the fact that the affidavit which the central government had filed late last evening called the farmers' protest peddling of misinformation based on erroneous facts, especially pertaining to the aspect of consultation or the lack of consultation ahead of the passage of the contentious farm laws. So that aspect has not yet come up for debate, but what is hugely interesting is the Chief Justice of India's observations today to the farmers, and this is happening because the Chief Justice of India has been informed that the farmers' organization do not wish to participate in the proceedings before to be appointed committee of the Supreme Court, given the fact that they are very intent on their demand of a repeal of the farm laws, which the government is not considering. Therefore, they do not see any benefit to participate in the proceedings before the Supreme Court yet to be appointed committee, to which the Chief Justice of India just went on to state as to how no power on earth can prevent the Supreme Court from setting up a committee if it feels it is in the best interest of finding a long-term solution to the problem. Chief Justice of India assuring the farmers the committee will not be vested within any powers to punish them or crack the whip, so to speak, against them in any way. It will only gather information on the ground. Also, their grievances, it will be taken into account by the committee, and the committee will then report back to the Supreme Court. The committee is for the benefit of the Supreme Court. That is what the Chief Justice of India has observed just a short while back. Interestingly, our viewers will recall 4 lawyers were nominated by the Supreme Court to go and interface with the farmers, which included Mr. Prashant Bhushan, Colin Gonsalves, Mr. Dushyant Dave, and also another senior counsel. And Mr. Harish Salve is arguing as we speak, and he is telling the bench that all of these 4 lawyers are absent from today's proceedings, who were appointed yesterday by the Supreme Court to go and meet with the farmers. And according to Mr. Salve, this is something which is a matter of concern. So yes, there will be several other aspects that we are hoping to see will be dwelled upon by the top court. But as of now, the matter is underway, and this is what is transpiring.
Yes. Absolutely, that's important. And this is another update which Meenakshi was just throwing light on, that 4 lawyers nominated by the top court to discuss matters with farmers and revert are absent today. And of course, again, the other input that we're getting is that the farmer groups have already said no to this idea of having a panel to discuss the issue. Thanks, Meenakshi, for joining us.